Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to double your AquaXP for those of you that did Aqua protocol. Though if you're watching this video right now, it is not a must that you do this, but if you want to double your AquaXP, you need to do this. And before you participate, you need turn in your wallet. You need like $2 to $3. Let me just say you need $3 worth of ton in your wallet. Okay, so if I want to double this my Aqua XP now, there are some things that I need to do for me to double it, and that's what I'm going to teach you guys in this video. Though I've already done mine, so if you want to double yours, follow this video step by step, okay? So the next thing that you're going to do is, once you open your Aqua protocol like this, click on this Telegram channel. See this place, you click on it, Telegram channel. So because I've come here before, I need to go up. But if you are just coming here for the first time, you need to scroll down. Do you understand? So I'm going up to look for the updates. As you can see, they posted on July 13th. If you're watching this video right now, you have today and tomorrow, that is 15th and 16th, for you to do this if really you want to double your Aqua XP. So let's read. He said double your Aqua XP, not required. As you can see, this in brackets, not required, meaning it is not compulsory. So if the Aqua points that you have gotten is enough for you, if you're not grading like us, if it is enough for you, this method is not compulsory. But if you know that you want to do more, you want to earn more, then you can actually go ahead and do this. It said, we have great news for those who have already participated in farming and minting their NOMI score and have linked their wallet to Aquabot. What to do? Make one trade from the same wallet. He said you should make one trade from the same wallet that you use and mint your NOMI score. The same wallet address that you connected to your Aqua protocol. Everything that you'll be doing will be the same wallet, one wallet. If you change it, no airdrop for you. So they said make one trade from the same wallet on Storm Trade for any amount by July 16th. So is on or before July 16th, inclusive, by following the link. As you can see, this place is highlighted, so if you click on it, it will take you somewhere. So he said what you will get. All participants will double their Aqua XP balance on claim day. If you are new and haven't traded on Storm Trade before, you will also receive an additional 100 RP, which will soon convert to Storm tokens. Are you listening? So if you participate in this Storm Trade, you'll be receiving additional 100 RP. We are not mining it to 100 RP, which will be converted to Storm tokens. Follow the recommendations in this post and strictly use the Storm link provided here to claim your RP. So this one is how to make your first trade. That's what I'm going to teach. So you click on this place that I said the link. You click there and you choose your browser. I'm using Mrs. Browser. So he said continue with browser. Click on continue. So we're going to connect to your wallet, your Ton wallet. As you can see, I've already connected mine. So once your own load and bring you here, it's going to show you, just scroll down. you're going to see where he said sign to turn keeper or sign to turn wallet. So you click on it, you select the wallet that you're using. If you're using Keeper, if you're using Telegram, this thing, anyone that you're using, just select it and it to take you to that your app, the one you are using, to take you there. Then you sign. Once you sign in, it's going to show you in your Keeper app. So let me go to my Keeper so that people will see what I'm saying. Okay, guys, so I am in my Keeper wallet now. So once you open your app, you click on this browser, you click on connected. You see Storm Trade. Hey. So once you connect your wallet, it's going to show you like this, Storm Trade. So you click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you back to that site where you connected your wallet. Okay. So once it bring you back here, you click on this drop down arrow. So you click on this place, turn. You click on turn USD, this one that I circled. You click on it. So once it opens like this, you scroll. As you can see, this one is long, this one is short. I'm not going to give you people signal, so you can just decide on the one that you want to do. You can either long or you can either short, but your aim here is not to make money. That's why I'm not giving you signal. Your aim here is not to make money. Your aim here is to do at least one trade so that you'll be able to double your coin. So anyone that you want to select is either long or short. So once you, let me just say I want to select long, short, sorry. So you click on the short. So once you click on short, they will ask you amount. You can put 0.1. So in case you put 0.1 and they're telling you that you have insufficient balance, put 0.01. If they are still telling that you have insufficient balance, they're not telling me because maybe I have more ton. So, but if they're telling that you have insufficient balance, you can actually put 201. Remember what I said, your aim here is not to make money from futures. Your aim here is to make at least one trade. Do you understand? So once you put the amount here, you put your leverage 10x, 20x, 30x. So you scroll down. Stop loss, you can put your stop loss at 15%, take profits at 25%, then you click on short. So once you click on short, you wait small. Maybe you can just minimize your app and go and be doing whatever thing that you want to do. Then after some time, you come back to check if your order is active or not active. Let me go back. Okay, once you scroll down, you click on order. You see that your order is active. See, as you can see, my order is still active. So that is all you need to do. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the one to be notified.